We're all tired of the punishing Indian summer, but as we get ready to welcome the monsoon, it's important to remember that in addition to lower temperatures, rain also brings a higher probability of vector-borne diseases. And while this is a serious issue, there's no need to panic. Instead, equip yourself with the right data so you can make health-related decisions with facts rather than rhetoric. But how do you get this data? Here are 2 ways in which you can go about it. 1. You could visit the website of the Integrated Disease Surveillance Program, which falls under the Indian government's Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and click on Weekly Outbreaks. Then go to the row with the year you want and click on the relevant week. The data you're looking for is in the hyperlinked documents, so you can download as many as you'd like. Once you do have all the reports you need, you can get down to compiling the numbers from them, collating and cleaning everything before you, and analyzing the stats manually. This process will take you several hours. But if you'd rather get to the heart of the data without spending so much time, you could visit dataful.in, log in or create an account, search disease outbreak, click on the relevant dataset, check the dataset preview to see if it has the information you need. Here, you can see that the period for which you're getting data, which is 2009 to 2026, corresponds to the IDSP website. Finally, download the dataset in your preferred format. We also have a collection on vector-borne diseases in India, should you want to dive into the data for diseases like malaria and dengue individually. So, what will it be? Downloading hundreds of reports, collating and cleaning the stats in them one by one, or downloading clean, ready-to-use datasets from Dataful? Subscribe to a Dataful plan today and get access to our vast collection of cleaned, ready-to-use datasets across sectors.